What's up? Today, I'm swapping the brakes on the RS. Alright guys, welcome back. So it's been a while. Lots of work going on. And so today is going to be the first time I am doing the brakes on the RS. So if you can't tell, these brakes are freaking huge. And the stopping power in this thing is pretty good. So to start off, there is a 13mm bolt back here on this center retaining clip, and then there are also these two pegs up on top, these retaining clips right here. So you're gonna tap these two out, and then the 13mm on the back side, you're gonna have to remove this, and then this bolt will slide out, and then once that's off, this retaining clip pops out, and then your brake pads will remove straight from the top. As I'm going along, I am going to clean up some of the scuffing and everything on it. So I'm going to start off with hitting it with some brake cleaner to kind of get this dirt to start falling off. And then as I go, once I get these brake pads and everything out the way, I will also make sure that I clean up the rest of the caliper, because I want to try and keep these looking as nice as possible for as long as I can.
Hi guys.
How you doing? So we've noticed about 95% of y'all watching the videos, you're not subscribed.
Subscribe. Please.
So I'm gonna ask you to do us a favor. So at some point during the video, if you like what you're seeing, you have fun, or if you just like simply talking trash in the comments, minimize the screen, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notifications.
Yes.
All right.
Because we love all y'all.
We love all you guys. You guys help us out greatly. We want to keep doing this for you. Clicking likes, dislikes, it doesn't matter. Just click something. It helps us out a lot with the YouTube algorithm, which is a very finicky little thing.
Yep.
But the more you guys react to our content, the better we get recognized. So, you know what to do. Click, 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 click. So I took the rotors off and I looked over them. I don't see anything outstanding. No weird scorching patterns. No signs of bad heat transference. But the one thing that I did notice was that it was just the system was just really, really dirty. There's a lot of caked on dirt on the slide pins and the retaining clips, and then even inside where the pistons are on each side of Brembos. So what I did was I just went in there. I took a rag with a small pry bar and just kind of like heavily scraped out the all that caked on dirt as much as I could. Obviously, this is 5 years worth of stuff that probably hasn't been cleaned off too well. In the future, it's probably going to wind up needing a new coating. But for the most part, like, the brakes don't look bad. There's really no grooving or anything like that. So what I did do was I just took some brake cleaner. I just went over the rotors, front and back, just to get any, just to clean them up, just to get any top layer dirt off. I guess I did notice that the backing plate on the bottom was slightly bent towards the rotor, so I kind of bent that back a little bit. That could have been from anything, maybe something hitting it being too low, or maybe due to the when the alignment was off. I don't know, something forced that through. Maybe somebody grabbed it the wrong way. Who knows? But I'm gonna take apart, clean up the other side. If you guys saw, I just used a little die punch to slide this pin out, to slide this pin out. Once you get it out, this pin comes off. Here in the middle, you have a 13 millimeter bolt on the back side, which then I would back this off, and then you can kind of just gently tap this center retaining clip out as well, the retaining bolt. Slide this out, and then once you get this broken free from this side, you gotta push in this retaining clip to relieve the tension, and then she'll slide out the rest of the way. So if there's anything I missed, if there's anything that you want to know, if there's something that you just want to see in the future as far as the RS goes, drop a comment, and as always, Wrench Daily.